So a lot of people ask me, why do you put your beer in a bottle like this? This is a traditional 750 milliliter Belgian style bottle with a cork and a cage. This style of bottle might have been reserved for wine or champagne because glass was so expensive. This glass is a lot thicker than your normal beer bottle, and it can hold a lot more carbon dioxide. And years ago, everybody drank their beer flat. They didn't even understand how to capture bubbles into a bottle like this. It wasn't until they started putting wine in bottles like this, and they didn't have a full understanding of microbiology and all the different yeast, wild yeast that might have been in their wine, that they noticed that they had unintentional bubbles in their wine. So that was something the winemakers were trying to get rid of. And the famous guy for that is actually Dom Perignon. So initially, his whole job was to try to get rid of the bubbles in his wine, but eventually became famous for the bubbles in it. Most breweries use forced carbonation where they inject CO2 into the beer. The traditional way of doing it is adding a little yeast and sugar into the bottle, letting it ferment inside, and you can get a much higher carbon dioxide, a better carbonation, a velvety, thick, creamy, luscious, rich type of foam on the beer. And traditionalists will tell you that the bubbles actually that are dissolved in the beer are much smaller and create a finer froth with the re-fermentation method than in the traditional or in the more standard injecting CO2 into the beer method. Hi, I'm Joe Vogelbacher from Sugar Creek Brewery in Charlotte, North Carolina, and the 19th Master Cicerone in the world. Please like and subscribe if you're enjoying these videos, and if you have future ideas, please leave them in the comments below. Cheers.